How to fix liked videos on TikTok not showing up. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue with TikTok where when you go to your profile on TikTok and select the little like button, your liked videos are not showing up. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like because that really helps me out. So in order to fix your liked videos not showing up on TikTok, the first thing I would recommend doing is simply swiping away the TikTok app to close it and then opening it up again and seeing if the liked videos are now showing up under your profile on TikTok. Now, if after doing that, your liked videos are still not showing up, what I would recommend doing is quickly restarting your phone. And once you restart your phone, check it again and see if that's fixed it. After that, the next step to fixing this issue is going to be to open up your respective app store, either the App Store on an iPhone or your Google Play Store, searching TikTok. Then once you find TikTok, if there is an update available, go ahead and update the app because this could be causing that issue for you. Then open it up and see if that fixes your liked videos not showing up anymore. If your liked videos are still not showing up, what I would recommend doing is uninstalling TikTok from your phone and then reinstalling it, and doing that should fix it for you. Now, if after reinstalling the TikTok app, your liked videos are still not updating on TikTok, what I would recommend doing is opening up the browser on your phone and just search TikTok down. This will bring up the down detector where they'll actually tell you if TikTok is down. And as you can see for me, there currently is no issue with TikTok. So if you go here and it says that there's an issue with TikTok, that's the reason that your liked videos are no longer showing up. All right, so that's how you fix TikTok liked videos not showing up. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.